Hello, I'm Dr. Edward Bethel, and welcome to Moodle for Everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer your quiz or any other content from one Moodle course to another. And you can do this really easily using the import function. So I want to transfer a quiz from this course, Education 9XX, Intro to Online Learning and Instruction, to my training course. And so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the course that I want to transfer the content to. And the content that I want to transfer is this quiz in Unit 1 called Teaching in an Online Environment. So I'm going to go into my course that I want to transfer the content into. So I click on my dashboard and I go to the training course, and it's going to be this one here. And I am going to go to the settings cogwheel in the top right hand corner and click to get the action menu. And you'll see that there is a selection that says import. That's what you want to choose. So it asks me to find a course that I want to import data from. And so the course that I wanted to import data from, as I said, is Intro to Teaching and Learning, Intro to Online Teaching and Learning. So I'm going to put Introduction Online. That should be enough for the search terms. And no courses. So instead, I'm going to put the code EDUC 9XX. That should give me the course that I want. And so yeah, here it is. Intro Online Spring 2020, 2022. Excellent, that's the one that I want. So I'm gonna click continue. And now it asks me if I want to include all of this stuff. Yes, I want to include all of this stuff. And then I select next. And now you can then choose what exactly you want to bring over into your new course. Now, because I only want to bring over one item, I'm not going to go through and just deselect all of these things and just leave the one item that I want to bring over. Instead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select none, and that will leave all of these pieces of content unchecked. And then I'm going to go down to the unit that I'm in. And so it was unit 1 because it's this quiz here. And I need to turn that unit on by selecting it. And then I'm going to select the quiz that I want to bring over by selecting the checkbox next to that item. So just to recap that, select none, go down to the unit that your stuff is in, select that, and then select the particular item that you want to bring over. Once you've done that, then scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Next. Now, you can go through this bit by bit by bit, but you should see that only that Unit 1 is checked and only the quiz that you want to bring over is checked. So you're just going to be confirming that on this page. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. If the correct thing was not there, you would go back by clicking Previous and then select the right thing. Ours was correct, so I'm just going to go ahead and click Perform Import. And what it's doing is pulling the stuff from one course to the other. Import is complete. I can click Continue to return to my training course. And I should see that that quiz now is appearing in the training course in Unit 1. Note that the unit is always going to be lined up with your destination course. So I should be able to go into Unit 1, and sure enough, there it is, Quiz Teaching in an Online Environment. So just to recap really quickly, the steps are click the gear icon in the top right-hand corner, select import. Find the course that you want to pull the data from, and it's usually easiest to search using the course code. There it is. I select my course, and you can check this one. You don't need to worry about this. Just go to the next. And then this is where in the next screen, you're actually going to select your content. And to do that again, yes, to do that again, if there are just one or two things that you want to bring over, the first thing to do is select none. And then the second thing to do is to find the unit where the content is. And in this case, I'm going to bring over this thing called the power of yet. So I'm going to select this unit, and then I'm going to select this item. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, select next, and that piece of content should be checked off. I'm going to assume that it is. And when you click perform import, that specific piece of content will be brought into your new course in the same place. So that was in Unit 2 in the original course. That should appear in Unit 2 in the new course as well. I'm going to jump down to it by clicking Week 2, and I should see that piece of content, sure enough, brought over to the new course. Note that by default, whenever this content is brought over, it should be brought over as hidden, so you'll have to unhide that if you want your students to see that content straight away. I hope this helps. If this video was helpful to you, if you liked the video, please click the like button. Please subscribe to my channel, and have a great day. Bye for now.